Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. Maintaining the optimal temperature of lubricating oil is vital for the longevity of a marine auxiliary engine, and the lubricating oil cooler bypass valve plays a central role in this process by regulating the flow of oil through or around the cooler. This valve, often referred to as a thermostatic valve, ensures that the oil reaches its working temperature quickly during startup and stays within the safe operating range during high load conditions. Overhauling and maintaining this component is essential to prevent engine overheating or excessive wear caused by cold, thick oil. To begin the maintenance procedure, you must first ensure the engine is stopped and the lubricating oil system is properly isolated by closing the inlet and outlet valves. Since the oil may still be warm, allow the system to cool slightly before opening the valve housing to avoid burns. Start by carefully removing the cover bolts and lifting the valve bonnet to expose the internal thermostatic elements or wax capsules. These elements are the brain of the valve and work by expanding or contracting in response to the oil temperature to move the slider. Remove the elements and inspect them for any signs of physical damage, leakage, or heavy carbon buildup. A common test for these elements is to place them in a water bath with a thermometer and slowly heat the water to verify they begin to open at the temperature specified in the technical manual. If an element fails to move or opens at the wrong temperature, it must be replaced as it can no longer be trusted to protect the engine. Next, clean the interior of the valve body and the sliding sleeve using a lint-free cloth and a suitable cleaning solvent. Inspect the sliding surfaces for any scoring or debris that could cause the valve to stick in one position. Check the heavy-duty return spring for signs of corrosion or loss of tension, because a weak spring will prevent the valve from returning to the bypass position correctly. Always replace the gaskets and O-rings with new spares during reassembly to ensure a leak-free seal. Apply a small amount of clean lubricating oil to the moving parts to facilitate smooth operation. Once the internals are reinstalled and the cover is secured, slowly open the system valves and check for any external leaks. It is good practice to monitor the oil temperature closely during the first few hours of engine operation after maintenance, to confirm the bypass valve is regulating the flow accurately. By keeping this valve in top condition, you ensure that your engine is always lubricated with oil at the perfect viscosity, which reduces friction and prevents catastrophic bearing failure. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.